Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a VCA unboxing. This is a piece that I already have, kind of, but I felt like I was missing from my collection at the same time. I don't really know. It will make sense when you see it. Okay, anyway, I ordered this piece online. I would love to get back into the boutique and visit my Van Cleef Arpels sales associate, fashion advisor. I don't know what they call themselves there. Chanel uses the term fashion advisor, but a jewelry advisor. But it's just so hard planning ahead and making an appointment. And usually I'm kind of like last minute on a Saturday. And I know that Saturdays are really busy and all the appointments are booked up. Anyway, but I was looking at these. At first I was looking secondhand because I was like, oh, maybe like I'll save a little bit of money. But honestly, the resale prices on Van Cleef pieces are pretty high. Like it didn't feel worth it to me to pay the premium, or I guess the discount didn't feel worth it to me for knowing that it was secondhand, I guess. I don't know. It was only a couple $100. I would rather pay the premium, that's the word, there we go. This is going great, Maddie, than not, and just know that it was secondhand and have to worry about it and whatever. And so this shipped from the online store. I really like the packaging that they do. It's like all kind of like together, but it is a lot of packaging and you can't opt out of it, which is like my new thing with Chanel. I'm like, please, for the love of everything, stop giving me boxes. The most recent Métier d'Art haul that I did, I felt like that was a lot. Oh, wow. And it came with the whole kit and caboodle. All right, so everyone has something to say about not receiving things from VCA. I feel like at one point they were like not going to send boxes anymore. I literally got a travel pouch. I got a card. What is this? Oh, this is like a return label. You put this, it's like a beautiful sticker. No, okay, that is for the box if you're going to return it. It's all coming together. This is a thank you for your purchase. This is how to return it. And then this is the normal like authenticity booklet and all of that. Wow, this is a lot of paperwork actually. And I wonder when you order online, do they still fill it out by hand? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it is still handwritten. Aw, well, that's cute. All right, I won't show it to you though, because I think that's like confidential information. I don't know. Anyway, it's this tiny little box at the bottom. I like how it's secured in with a bow. I think that's so cutie. Oh my gosh, and there's a little, wait, how does this work? There's a little butterfly, paper butterfly on the side. That's so sweetheart. Okay, here is the green box, of course. Wow, this packaging really is like next level. Bravo. If you're into packaging, this is a great treat. Can I talk? Great treat. Okay, so what I will say about this piece is I saw there's like this popular influencer on TikTok, and I'm gonna have to rip the paper. And she is really well known for actually being like a VCA fan. And at one point she made this video where she was like, do not, okay, I just have to rip it. It's happening. Do not get the cheapest item at Van Cleef, like save up and get the thing that you really want. Like everyone knows when they see you wearing these like lower end items that you didn't really want it. I think that's BS because this is maybe one of the cheapest pieces at Van Cleef and I love them and I'll tell you why. Okay, so here we go. Hopefully it's correct. Oh yeah, there they are. So these are the Sweet Alhambra onyx studs. And so right now I'm wearing the carnelian studs. I have my ears pierced twice. I also have like very similar, I have the mother of pearl in the butterfly shape, and they're all kind of like the same price. They make the Sweet Alhambra in onyx, carnelian, mother of pearl, and then they make the butterfly in, I believe, turquoise and mother of pearl. So I might get the turquoise ones too. Those are a little bit more expensive, I think. Anyway, the necklace and the bracelet they do in this size, I think, are officially the least expensive. Maybe, oh, the perle ring. These are maybe the least expensive earrings that you can buy from the Van Cleef website. But I have found that as I've been being in the office more, getting ready in the morning. Like I love these little studs so much. And what I really love is stacking them. So I will often do the butterfly with the carnelian or vice versa. I like to wear them like one way and then mix it up. But I really felt like I was missing the onyx, and I have the onyx necklace, which I love. And I'm stacked with my Cocoa Crush collar. And I wore onyx today because I was like, oh, now I have an onyx full set, which some people are like, don't wear the full set. I like it, okay? And I can like things. But I just think that it's so cute if you have multiple piercings. Actually on this side, I could put the butterfly at the top because I have 3 on this side and 2 on the other side. But I just think they're the perfect little stackers. Me personally, I wear stud earrings pretty much every day. So I have, like I said, these carnelian and then the little butterfly ones. And then I also, I wear my Bulgari Diva's Dream, which are also kind of like studs. And then I also wear, they're a Tiffany, like kind of like a diamond flower or clover. And then the Frivole, the small ones, the mini ones. Studs are just my vibe. I think because I always am wearing like bracelets and rings and necklaces, going smaller on the earrings is like more the vibe, unless I'm doing like a, you know, I can of course do statement earrings. I guess I just did my high jewelry, but even those are like more stud-like than not, if that makes sense. But this presentation, I have to say, was really nice for the quote unquote entry-level earrings for VCA, to include all this. Oh my gosh, is this this is a cleaning kit. This isn't even a travel pouch. That's so cute with the little brush, look, to brush them off. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I totally thought that was a travel pouch. All right, well, so I stand corrected. They did not send me a travel pouch, but they sent me a cleaning kit, which I almost feel like is better because I have a bunch of those little, yeah, because this is like totally the wrong size for the travel pouch. Okay, but anyway, yeah, that's just like my little sweet unboxing for the day. I had been wanting them for a long time, never really bit the bullet and did it. And then one day I was like, you know what? Let's go for it. Don't wait for an appointment. Don't wait for the right pair to go on sale or whatever. Just get it and enjoy it. And I'm gonna wear them all the time. I'm sure I'm gonna mix it up because, you know, sometimes you need the black version. Sometimes you're feeling moodier. It's not always a mother of pearl day. I think I wear mother of pearl when I'm feeling like softer and friendlier and happier. And then I like to wear onyx when I want to feel a little bit more like serious and powerful. Same with carnelian. I don't know, I can be superstitious like that. But anyway, I hope you're all having a really great day. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I apologize that I cannot speak and my diction is all over the place. My bag hook is a hot mess because it was all about Chanel this past week and there's packaging everywhere and I want to die. And yeah, that's it. I hope you're all having a really great day and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.